Hello everyone! Searching for the top 5 best 4K dashcam options to capture every detail on the road? You're watching Best Product, where we break down the latest and most reliable tech to keep you protected and informed. Stay tuned as we count down the best picks for your car. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Azdome M550 Pro 4K dashcam. The Azdome M550 Pro 4K dashcam is designed to deliver advanced recording performance and dependable road monitoring in a compact, modern device. Equipped with dual cameras, it captures footage in 4K resolution at the front and 5K at the rear, ensuring clear and detailed video quality. This high-definition setup makes it easier to capture essential details such as license plates, road signs, and surrounding activity. With wide-angle lenses of 150 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, the camera provides an expanded field of view, helping reduce blind spots and offering a more complete perspective of driving conditions. Seamless connectivity is a key feature of the M550 Pro. Through its dedicated smartphone app, users can connect wirelessly to the dashcam, allowing easy access to live footage, video downloads, and settings adjustments without the need for mobile data. This enhances convenience and simplifies everyday use. Safety and security are central to its design. The collision lock function automatically secures important footage when an impact is detected, preventing critical videos from being overwritten. In addition, the 4-hour parking monitoring system continues to protect the vehicle even when the engine is off. When vibrations or movement are detected, the camera activates recording to capture potential incidents. The dashcam also supports loop recording, which continuously records video in segments and overwrites older files when storage is full. A pre-installed 64GB memory card allows for immediate use right out of the box. Intelligent driving assistance features, including alerts for lane departure and forward vehicle movement, provide added awareness during daily driving. With a built-in GPS system, the M550 Pro records precise driving data such as speed, route, and location, embedding this information directly into video files. This combination of clarity, connectivity, and intelligent features makes the Azdome M550 Pro a comprehensive solution for modern drivers seeking reliable video documentation and enhanced driving awareness. Next, at number 4, is the Kawa Mini 7 Pro 4K dashcam. The Kawa Mini 7 Pro 4K dashcam brings advanced recording technology into a compact, thoughtfully designed device that enhances both safety and convenience on the road. Built with native 4K Ultra HD resolution, it delivers exceptionally clear footage, capturing fine details such as license plate numbers, road signs, and surrounding environments with impressive precision. This high level of clarity ensures that every drive is documented with accuracy, making it a reliable companion for daily commutes and long journeys alike. Designed for modern drivers, the dashcam features intuitive voice control functionality that allows hands-free operation. With simple voice commands, users can start recording, take photos, or activate Wi-Fi without needing to reach for buttons. This seamless interaction helps maintain focus on driving, while still providing full control over the device's features. A distinctive element of the Kawa Mini 7 Pro is its stealth display design. The translucent smart display remains invisible when not in use, blending effortlessly into the device's exterior. When activated, it emits a soft glow that complements the car's interior without causing distraction. This minimalist approach ensures a clean and modern look while preserving functionality. Its compact mini design makes installation quick and hassle-free. The dashcam can be easily mounted behind the rearview mirror using the included accessories, requiring no additional tools. This discreet placement keeps the windshield uncluttered and maintains a clear field of vision. Equipped with built-in GPS, the device accurately records driving routes, speed, and time, providing detailed tracking information for every trip. This feature adds an extra layer of reliability, supporting both navigation awareness and incident documentation. Combining powerful imaging, smart controls, and an elegant design, the Kawa Mini 7 Pro 4K dashcam offers a refined solution for capturing every moment on the road. Coming in at number 3, we have the Wolfbox I07 4K dashcam. The Wolfbox I07 4K dashcam is designed to provide comprehensive coverage and reliable performance for modern drivers. Featuring a triple camera system, it captures footage from the front, interior, and rear of the vehicle simultaneously. With ultra-wide viewing angles of 150 degrees for the front, 160 degrees for the cabin, and 155 degrees for the rear, it ensures a broad and detailed perspective of every journey. The camera records in high-definition formats of 2, 5K, and 1080p, delivering clear and precise footage that can serve as valuable evidence when needed. Equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen, the device offers a clear and convenient way to review recordings directly on the dashcam. The front camera supports up to 4K resolution, allowing users to capture fine details such as road signs, license plates, and surrounding conditions with impressive clarity. This level of visual detail enhances overall driving awareness and documentation. For nighttime or low-light environments, the dashcam uses an advanced Starvis sensor combined with 6 infrared LED lights. This technology ensures balanced and visible recordings even in dark conditions, making it especially useful for drivers operating during nighttime hours or in ride-sharing services. The built-in GPS feature tracks speed and location data, which can be reviewed alongside recorded footage. Wi-Fi connectivity enables seamless pairing with a smartphone app, allowing users to view, download, edit, and share videos directly from their mobile devices. To enhance vehicle security, the dashcam includes dual parking monitoring modes. Collision boot recording activates recording when an impact is detected, while time-lapse mode provides continuous monitoring in a compressed format. Together, these features offer consistent protection whether the vehicle is in motion or parked, making the Wolfbox I07 a dependable companion for everyday driving. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Baseus VD1 Pro 4K dashcam. The Baseus VD1 Pro 4K dashcam is designed to bring clarity, reliability, and advanced technology to everyday driving. With crystal-clear 4K UHD resolution, it captures every detail on the road with impressive sharpness, ensuring that license plates, road signs, and surrounding conditions are recorded with precision. This level of visual clarity provides dependable documentation for both routine drives and unexpected incidents. Equipped with advanced Starvis night vision, the camera performs exceptionally well, even in complete darkness. Whether driving through dimly lit streets or poorly illuminated highways, it maintains visibility and detail, offering consistent recording quality regardless of lighting conditions. Complementing this is advanced HDR image processing, which balances brightness and contrast to prevent overexposure during bright daylight and underexposure in darker environments. The result is a well-balanced image that preserves critical visual information. A standout feature of the VD1 Pro is its innovative solar sync system. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures, this system eliminates traditional battery concerns such as leakage, swelling, or safety risks. By reducing reliance on the vehicle's power supply, it helps extend battery lifespan while maintaining efficient performance over time. The stable power delivery also ensures uninterrupted recording, even during engine start-stop cycles, so no important moment goes unrecorded. For accurate documentation, the dashcam includes precise timestamp functionality, allowing every recording to be tracked with exact timing. This becomes especially valuable when reviewing footage for incident analysis or liability verification. Additionally, built-in GPS real-time tracking provides fast signal acquisition and accurate location data, creating a reliable record of driving routes and positions. Combining high-resolution imaging, intelligent power management, and precise tracking capabilities, the Baseus VD1 Pro 4K dashcam offers a dependable solution for modern drivers seeking consistent and detailed road monitoring. And finally, our top pick for the Ddpai Z50 Pro 4K dashcam. The Ddpai Z50 Pro 4K dashcam is designed to deliver advanced in-car recording with a strong focus on clarity, connectivity, and safety. Featuring dual-channel recording, it captures ultra-high-definition 4K footage from the front camera alongside 1080p recording from the rear. With wide viewing angles of 143 degrees in the front and 124 degrees in the rear, it provides comprehensive coverage of the road, ensuring that important details are always within view. Equipped with AI ISP-enhanced night vision, the camera performs reliably even in low-light conditions. Its f1.28 aperture, combined with a 6 glass lens and Night Vis 2 technology, produces brighter and sharper nighttime footage, making it easier to capture license plates and road conditions after dark. Connectivity is another standout feature, with ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 enabling quick data transfers at speeds of up to 13 megabytes per second. Through the Ddpai mobile app, users can easily access live footage, download recordings, and share videos seamlessly. The addition of remote 4G monitoring enhances convenience and security, allowing real-time viewing, instant alerts, and cloud backup from virtually anywhere. For parked vehicles, the dashcam offers up to 48 hours of parking monitoring, supported by time-lapse recording and a G-sensor that detects collisions and locks important footage automatically. Loop recording ensures continuous operation by overwriting older files when storage is full, while support for up to 512 GB SD cards provides ample space for extended recording. Built with a durable supercapacitor, the device is designed to withstand heat and maintain long-term reliability. The integrated GPS tracks speed, route, and location, while ADAS features provide smart driving alerts to enhance overall road awareness. Stay protected on every drive. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Best Product for more top tech recommendations.